District Governor Asit Mittal and Navita, Governor nominee and a dear friend Vinod Bansal and Sangeeta, District Trainer 2012-13, a dear friend Mukesh Arneja and Simi, senior colleagues from the Council of Governors, my father-in-law, respected Yogaraj Ji Garg, my family members and personal friends, organizing team members, last but not the least and most important, presidents-elect and their charming ends. Good evening to all of you. Friends, Nanda joins me in extending a sincere and personal welcome to each one of you at Uday, the Awakening, the President-elect, Meet One. Dear President-elect, perhaps this is the time to take a look at your teammates. On each side of you this evening, my dear friends, and perhaps in your front and behind you is a new friend. Just take a look. She or he may be from different region, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Sonipat, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Hapur, Rohtak and some other place. But regardless of being from different places, there is a single commonality. My dear friends, each one around you is a committed leader who has the same hope, the same dreams, the same aspirations to make this world a much better place to live and work. And I know, my dear friends, each one of you is waiting for just to do that. Why don't you just get up from your seats and shake hands with your friend on either sides and in front of you and your back. Let's do it. अपने स्थानों से खड़े हो जाइए और अपने जो आपका नया दोस्त है उससे प्लीज हाथ मिलाएं. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. Yes, it is truly a special day for all of us present here. You and me, as we bask in the presence of our glorious, illustrious Council of Governors and the past presidents of this great district 3010. Friend, tonight is a momentous occasion as we take the first step in journey of Rotary service as the president of your esteemed club. Take each step with commitment and enthusiasm. As the Chinese proverb says, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Dear friends, the journey that you are embarking on this evening may appear easy, but as you proceed further, you will find that the journey is not that easy. You will find that the journey is full of obstacles, hindrances, but your wisdom will lead you to the right direction, to the correct path, to successfully achieve your destination and achieve your goals. Friends, in the journey, you will find forces that will try to deviate you from the correct path or may mislead you. But the every step, my dear friends, that you take assumes significance. If you can make each step of yours from with faith, energized with enthusiasm, strong with service, inspired with integrity, visible with values, you will not only be able to overcome all the hindrances or the obstacles, but you will also be able to turn the blocking rocks into stepping stones to achieve your goals. And trust me, my dear friends, इस सफर में आप देखेंगे कि आपके क्लब मेंबर्स, आपकी सारी क्लब आपके पीछे खड़ी है और आपके साथ चलने के लिए तैयार है। और दोस्तों, रोटरी के इस सफर में मैं आपसे कहना चाहूंगा, हर कामयाबी पर आपका होगा नाम, हर कामयाबी पर आपका नाम होगा, आपके हर कदम पे दुनिया का सलाम होगा। मुश्किलों का सामना हिम्मत से करना ये दोस्त, निश्चित ही एक दिन वक्त भी आपका गुलाम होगा। As presidents, you will be leaders next year to your club members, and indeed they hold you in a very high esteem. But they look forward to a dynamic and memorable leadership from each one of you. Let me tell you one thing, my dear friends, leadership is a set of principles. Dynamism, courage, exploration, and integrity that flows from within in different degrees. These ingredients are embedded within each one of us, but we need to locate them. We need to unlock them. Then through introspection and nurturing, through dedicated and disciplined efforts, these seeds from within would sprout into the leadership in the form of leadership, encouraging, touching, guiding, and leading by example. Dear friends, Mahatma Gandhi was a timid, small person. Abraham Lincoln was an ordinary lawyer. Mother Teresa was a simple nun. But their leadership burst into flames when they had a cause confronting them. Dear friends, they did not duck. They located the dormant power within. They touched it with a spark, set their goals, and achieved their missions. Dear friends, having found his inner strength, a good leader doesn't compete with others. He competes with himself. This inner strength made Edmund Hillary, who conquered Mount Everest, declare that it is not the mountains that we conquer ourselves. My dear friends, being presidents next year, you must conquer yourselves. You must locate the dormant power within, and with the inner strength, my dear friends, lead with conviction, determination, commit yourself absolutely and fully, and take your clubs to still greater heights. As presidents next year, my dear friends, you must lead the parade. Don't just let your club members stand on the sidewalk and watch the parade go by. Use your leadership and get them on the bandwagon and show the way. Friends, this evening, let us recognize our greatest assets, our spouses who have provided the spark in our lives. Your better half is your teacher, your humble companion, and your helping hand. She can teach you the meaning of compassion, provide the tranquility that you may need, inspire you to reach great heights, and keep you humble in your greatness. Your partner is the one who will help you in softening some of the sharper corners. And I can tell you, my dear friends, this evening, Mine is not only my helping hand, but also my true guide, a person who always pushes me forward when things look good, but holds my hands when things look difficult. Facing you and me in Rotary is engaging Generation Next by bringing them into our fold. You must know that over 60% of the current world population is below the age of 35. Yet, the average age in Rotary is much higher. It is true that our age gives us the knowledge and wisdom, but if you don't have the Generation Next amongst us, whom do you pass on this wisdom and knowledge? And also, some of us present here this evening are no longer there, who will be taking up our positions, our places. My dear friends, this is a serious concern, this is a serious issue, and perhaps that is why Council on Legislation 2010 in its historic decision decided to include youth service as Fifth Avenue of service. And that is why, my dear friends, the Rotary International, even our own Kalyan Banerjee, has repeatedly, he has been appealing that we should move from grey to green as this backdrop, as green as the dress code of our incoming the first ladies of the clubs. My dear friends, it is a serious challenge, and we must connect with them as they connect with each other through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, so on and so forth. Let us open our doors and welcome them. Let us provide them with this space. My dear friends, as Rotary leaders, you are like salesmen. But being a good salesman is not enough. We must also have a good product. If you are a good salesman, you will make the first sale. But if you don't have the good product, you will only make the first sale. You will never make the second. My dear friends, we have to look at our product. We have to look at Rotary not through our own eyes, but through new eyes. Let us make our clubs more open-minded, accommodating, accepting. My dear friends, we need to develop an attitude of mutual respect that fosters an environment of mutual partnership with Generation Next in our clubs. A kind of partnership which provides a level playing field to both Rotary and the Generation Next as well. A kind of partnership where both have win-win situation. A kind of partnership where the youth contributes to our service projects, service planning, by bringing in much needed energy and enthusiasm, and in return Rotary help them in developing a better human being, a good citizen, and an effective leaders in their own vocation and professions. Friends, in today's world, information and communication is as valuable as hard currency for those striving to succeed, where rapid technological advances are changing the way we do our business, even spend our leisure times, and even shop. My dear friends, the same could be true for Rotary. It is essential that we as Rotary leaders and our clubs be kept informed of the dynamic changes that are taking place in the ever-developing area of Rotary programs, if we are to take full advantage of the service and fellowship opportunities that are available to us. Keeping this in mind, my dear friends, I urge each one of you present here to go online. And the first step in this direction is not only to have your own email IDs and have regular access, but kindly get the service activated on your mobile handset. And I can tell you, once you are equipped with the service, you will see a big change in yourself, you will become more effective, and you will be able to provide better leadership to your clubs. Friends, at my end, I have developed a website named as www.rameshagarwal.com to ensure that each one of you and the organizing team member can have quick and easy access to the updated Rotary information, forthcoming events, and the program of 2012 and 13 of our district and beyond. And I have no doubt that this website will serve as an effective tool to make our clubs more effective, vibrant, and dynamic. I would like to request each one of you to visit this website as often as possible to get yourself updated, and I would like to formally launch this website this evening, and I would like to request past Governor Ramesh Chandar, past Governor Damanjit Singh, past Governor and my batchmate Dr. Sushil Khurana, we were president together, to formally launch this website, please. Thank you. Friends, God has given us two hands each. But have you ever wondered what these human hands can do? The power of hands, my dear friends, speak for itself. Two hands of Helen Keller dispelled the darkness of want and despair, pain and neglect, and brought the light of knowledge and care, hope and dignity. Two hands of Mother Teresa provided love and compassion to the destitute, the abandoned, and the neglected. Two hands of Mahatma Gandhi brought independence to this country through non-violence, and two hands of Anna Hazare stirred the anti-corruption movement by capturing the imagination of millions of people across the world. My dear friends, if just a pair of hands could move the world, think what all the hands of we Rotarians could do. Communicating the language of our hearts, the hands of Rotarian can create an everlasting magic in this world. I ask each one of you present here to create that magic. I urge you, my dear incoming leaders, to spread your hands, spread your love, to bring peace in this world, to bring happiness in this world, and prosperity in this world. I urge each one of you, let us spread our hands to bring a smile on the faces to the uncared for, the neglected, and the unfortunate ones. Let us spread our hands so that our children and grandchildren can live in peace and harmony. Friends, may I ask each one of you present here to raise your hands and say, yes, I can. Can you raise your hands please and say, yes, I can? Yes, I can. Friends, I don't want to conclude by saying goodbye, because in Rotary, every day is a new day. In Rotary, every day is a new beginning. Every day is the day of awakening. Every day is Uday. Every day is a happy birthday in Rotary. My dear friends, the journey has just begun and we have a long way to go. Let us march ahead and move forward. Let us commit ourselves fully and absolutely to make this world a much better place to live and work. और अंत में दोस्तों, मैं हिंदी की एक प्रसिद्ध फिल्म नया दौर के एक गाने की कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ विराम लेना चाहूंगा। साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना। थैंक यू।